Hey friends, Halloween is coming. So, did you know guys, people crazy spend money on these Halloween printable related products on Etsy, on any website because during the Halloween season. So, what if you could sell your own printable on this printable this season? So if you are really thinking about to launch your digital product and get instantly profitable, so this is right time, good opportunity to okay profitable your digital products. So that's the exact time to start, even if you can't design printable. Okay, so keep watching this video guys. Hey everyone, my name is Umesh and welcome to my Halloween Printable Studio. So in this video I will give you quick summary about this product, what this is and how can you use it to launch your profitable digital products, and we will analyze their sales page to see what is really shortcut to making money on this season. So stay with me, and of course I have used bonus package for you. So without wasting your time, so let's start. So friend, what exactly is Halloween Printable Studio? Halloween Printable Studio is a ready-made collection of Halloween themes, planner, coloring pages, journals, and so many things like 100 plus prompts ready-made providing you, and you get PLR access, private label rights. That means you buy it once and you get and you put your name on it and sell it as your own product on Etsy or your website. It's 100% commission with no copyright and no restrictions, right? So this is the Halloween Printable Studio. So friend, let's know about my exclusive bonuses, and let's quick know this product when will launch and expire soon, my all exclusive bonuses. So let's quick summary about this all exclusive bonuses and the launch. So when you scroll down, so here is, so basically Halloween Printable Studio actually will live on Friday. Okay, you remember, and 24th October at 9 a.m. Eastern time, which is New York time. And make sure all the exclusive bonuses and special deal, okay, make sure when the timer hit the 0, so my all exclusive bonuses and special deal by the vendors will disappear forever. You can't access my all exclusive bonuses with vendor bonuses. So make sure before hit the 0 you will pick up the product and you can easily access all exclusive bonuses. Okay friends, so let's know about what am I giving you this time. So my all exclusive bonuses, so when you scroll down, so here is $497 affiliate Kickstarter system I am giving you. So my bonus number, the perfect checklist, it's help you to create review video, okay, professional review video if you are beginners. So definitely help you this checklist. And bonus number 2, my viral hooks templates to instantly grab attention. So I am giving you bonus number 2, and bonus number 3 at valued $47. This is top 10 AI tools. Mostly people struggling with AI tools and don't want to spend money. So definitely my 10 AI tools will help you to grow your business, online business. So I am this time using, so I am giving you 10 AI tools will help you, and $100 of dollars every single month and a week of hours searching to save. And bonus number 4, my beginner's guide. So this is my actual beginner's guide. Okay, I am reveal my story and fundamental blueprint for building an honest affiliate marketing business. So we'll help you to grow your businesses. This guide really help too. And bonus number 5, my thumbnail masterclass. If you don't have how can create clickable thumbnails, so this video training, just follow the 3-step method and you create within a minute clickable thumbnail. You can get more. And this is my bonus number 6, my personal support system I am giving you. When you stuck during your business journey, online digital journey, so definitely you can email me and I will do personally help you. So this is my bonus number 6, my personal support system I am giving you, so don't miss out. And of course official vendor bonus you will get inside the member area after you purchase. So how can you access all exclusive bonuses? So when you scroll down, so here is the yellow button inside the sales page, and you can see that here is mentioned inside the my bonus page. Just click the yellow button and redirect to the sales page. Okay guys, so here is, you can see that the professional sales page. So when you scroll down, so here is the top right corner, get instant access. Just click, and if you are scroll down, so here is so many button inside this sales page. So just click, and when you pick up purchase the front end of product, so you will get my all exclusive bonuses you can access. When you scroll down, so here so this type of redirect after you purchase. So when you will get this type of warrior plus inside the platform purchase filed. So here is the blue button just inside the I mentioned my bonus link. Just click and enter your email and you can access. And as well as JBZoo inside the platform, you will receive this type of purchase if you. So definitely here is inside my bonus page link. Just click and you access. You can access my all exclusive bonuses. So make sure before hit the timer hits zero, so you have to pick up and you grab and you can access my all exclusive bonuses. So let's go to their sales page. So the titles, the easiest way to create, publish and resell Halloween printables that actually make you money. It's Etsy seller. You know that. If you don't know Etsy is a popular website where you can easily it's an affiliate marketing platform. You can sell digital products like that. Here is, you can see that Etsy. Easily you can create your own platform. Just log in and you can see that if you Halloween search this. So this is all the digital products. Digital products and physical products. Many people selling this time, so you can easily sell this type of product. You can see that Halloween printable type physical product and printable t-shirts and very most high demanding. This is the all this time hot selling product. So you can chance and make commission and products, everything you can. So you can see that you can sell now this type of products. If you beginners and don't how can, so this Halloween Printable Studio PLR rights giving you inside everything you. And don't worry, how can use, how can design, all the step by step providing guides. So you can instantly create your account on Etsy and you can create your printable coloring books, printable t-shirt like this, and you can start printable digital products with Halloween themes. and get profitable. So here is the, you can see that this type of scary suit. So you can see that the very high professional digital products. You can see that this is the, I think, t-shirt, okay, puzzle, most demanding. This is all the product, high demanding product. So if you pick up, so what will you get inside the, so 10 creative niches made for ST and KDP seller, 500 plus ready to use prompt, okay, instant Halloween product idea that sells themselves, no design or tech skill needed. Okay, definitely if you are winner, so right time. Use with any AI tools you love, perfect for printable, books, sticker and merch, 100% editable and brand friendly. Okay, you can add your own logo, seasonal and evergreen. Value is providing, ready to resell with full PLR rights. Okay, create sale in record time, built-in share, scale and sell, profitable results without outsourcing, 30 days risk-free guarantee. Okay, 30 days money back guarantee giving you if you purchase and don't like this product or help. So definitely within the 30 days you can refund. So it's a win-win situation, friend. So you can see that here is all about this sales page. Okay, you can see that the module 1 and module 2. Module 1, magic Halloween coloring pages prompts. Okay, you will get inside this, you can see that it's very professional. And module 2, inside this Halloween maze coloring page prompts. This maze, it's a puzzle, it's more demanding hot product, digital products. You can, if you search on Amazon KDP, many people earning good commission from this selling this product. Okay, so you can add Halloween note planner page prompts, and module 4 Halloween doodles prompts. So you can see that the total will give you module 10. Okay, so they are very fantastic idea digital products. And of course this time bonus giving you bonus number 1 and bonus number 2. Okay, creepy cute coloring lab, this is software, and cinematic kids poster builder, value $67, today free, and my all issue bonuses. So you can read this sales page before purchasing. Here is all the bonuses and 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, and this is the founder of Kevin Win. Here is, you can see that the top 25% vendor and 10% affiliates. It's a good sign. Okay, it's not for more follower, but sale is good, and already he launched 5 rating some product. It's very 100 pro sales already met, and so you can trust this person. And their product is, I'm honestly can say it's a launch product, very valuable products. Okay, so you can read all about this guys, and let's know their OTOs. So when you scroll down, okay, so here is after you purchase, so you will give additional optional. Okay, so Halloween Printable Studio, of course I am just talk about $70, and pot coloring gold mine, okay, $9.95, and Halloween Printable Studio OTO 1, $27. This is advanced version, some extra if you need, so go with this one. $67, okay, OTO 3. So my honest opinion, go with front end. Okay, Halloween Printable Studio is enough for to start. After you some made sales, okay, and good commission, then you go with this one if you need. So all about Okay, so all about this Halloween Printable Studio. So if you decided purchase through my link, so make sure my all link the video description below. Go and grab the link. Okay, grab and you can and claim my entire $497 with free. So make sure guys you have left 5 days. Within a 5 days you get it through my link, so definitely you can access my all exclusive bonuses for $97. So all about this product guys, this is the right time. I think you should start now and get profitable your business. So thank you for watching this my Halloween Printable Studio. So take care and bye.